Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to click that notification button for more updates. So guys, it has been said that Umusam Seleko experienced a mini stroke. With all that guys, Umusam Seleko was hospitalized. But at this point guys, Umusam Seleko came forth a tiger. I want to thank my beautiful wives for doing this. So guys, Musamseloko Wati, thank you to the wives for taking good care of me in hospital. You paid a fortune for me and you did not and and you did not ask even a single penny from me. I am humbled for your good gesture. No, I know that I am truly blessed to have you. And at the same time, guys, I travel in paradise. Yeah, left and right. Even though umakoti omusha naye uyakhala sengenile ethunini yokukhala kuyakhaliwa vele. So at this point guys, people went on to saying, hi Kahleni girl, it's too early for you to cry.